Alright, so what's up, y'all? So we out here at the car meet with Secret Nightz. Good night. Got all the cars here. Got Only Mopars. Always the deepest crew. Every time you get here, crowd back in the back. So car meets, LA life, man. You know, I got my baby right here. We always posted up. Out here at Secret Nightz. Great night at the car meet. Having a good time. Got everybody out. Only Mopars. That's a sick ride. Uneventful.